Well, hello, good morning, everyone. We are here at the Hothouse in Toronto, and this morning we are doing a business dining etiquette class, and we look forward to showing you what it's all about. Come on in.
It was really helpful for me, first time that I take it, but many insights in how to I use in my professional life and even in my personal life.
I benefit from many learnings on how to network in a professional way while dining or having lunch with a customer.
If you haven't reached out to her, you should. She does a lot of great things. Go give her a follow and definitely attend this class because I learned a lot today.